What's your name?
My name's Louise and this is Laura.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester.
Where's Manchester?
Manchester is in the UK.
Manchester is in the north of England. It's a fantastic city. Its football teams are excellent. Louise's favourite team is Manchester United.
What's your name?
I'm Victor.
How are you, Victor?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Osnabrück.
Where's Osnabrück?
It's in Germany.
Osnabrück is in the northwest of Germany. The capital city of Germany is Berlin. There are lots of beautiful buildings in Berlin. Victor's favourite is the TV tower. The view is amazing. What's your name?
My name is David Ziambi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from, David?
I'm from Harare.
Where's Harare?
Harare is in Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe is a country in southern Africa. David's favourite place in Zimbabwe is Victoria Falls. It's amazing.
Oxford is a beautiful city in the southeast of England. Its old buildings are fantastic. Oxford University is in the centre of the city. There are lots of museums and restaurants in Oxford. They're great. Tell me about yourself and why you're here.
I'm Maura. I'm from Clonmel. It's a small town in Ireland. I'm a teacher. I'm in Oxford on holiday. It's beautiful. I'm with my husband. He's a doctor.
Tell me about yourself and why you are here.
Hi, I'm Natasha. I'm from Melbourne. It's a big city in Australia. I'm a pilot. I'm in Oxford on holiday. I'm with my friend Maria. She's a businesswoman.
Tell me about yourself and why you are here.
I'm Robert. I'm from London. It's the capital city of the UK. I'm a bus driver. I'm in Oxford with my sister Amy. She's a student here in Oxford.